Nowadays, we are currently experiencing huge transformation in how we make products due to digitalization in manufacturing. This transition has brought the term Industry 4.0 to symbolize the fourth revolution occurred in manufacturing. Industry 4.0 is transforming how companies produce, improve, and distribute their products. Manufacturers are integrating new technologies such as Internet of Things, cloud computing, and AI into production process. These smart factories are equipped with advanced sensors, embedded softwares, and robotics, which collect and analyze data that allow for better decision making. These applications lead to higher production and improved quality. In industrial setting, most of the accidents happen during line working, performing maintenance, and programming. This can be caused by human error, which affects programming, causing the robot to act in an unexpected way, which cause harm to the operator. Moreover, the increase in cyber attacks is another problem that occurs in most businesses. Cyber attacks often result in substantial losses arising from theft of corporate and financial information. This will lead to reputational damage which affects relationship with investors. Besides, the safety issue that occur in IoT devices is malware attacks which lead to manufacturing defects. When the IoT technology is integrated into finished products, they may present flaws which cause the product to perform differently. These manufacturing defects can cause injuries to the user and financial loss to the industry.
So, there are two factors that contributing to the conflict for safety issue in autonomous robot. Firstly, hazard deriving from physical contact, which malfunctions caused by a robot put human in danger. Secondly, hazard deriving from psychological interaction, where inefficient movement of robot could cause psychological harm like discomfort and stress. For safety issue in cybersecurity, there are three factors that contribute to the conflict. Firstly, vulnerability of technology, where reliance and connectivity to technology likely expose organizations to cyber threats like credential theft. Secondly, problems caused by humans. Sharing personal information to a wrong person or vulnerable information system leads to security breach. And lastly, lack of preparedness, where organizations that are not fully equipped with tools and expertise to protect system and data are vulnerable to cyber attacks. For safety issue in Internet of Things, there are three factors contributing to the conflict. Firstly, vulnerability in IoT devices and software, where there is lack of built-in security in devices and software. Secondly, devices infected by malware and used for malicious activities. Lastly, connectivity of technology, where information that is stored in devices are vulnerable to being exposed online or being stolen.
The issues that can be related to ethics, safety, and environment in Industry 4.0 are focusing on ethics perspective. The development of Industry 4.0 is a good act as the quality of people's lives increases. However, some individuals are suffering from this decision as wide-ranging job losses and growing number of workforces, which skills will be replaced by autonomous robots and artificial intelligence. Next, the issue of safety in Industry 4.0 is the replacement of robotic equipment, which can do repetitive activities than the human workers. Direct methods of working can put workers under mental pressure such as worry or psychological strains. Other than that, heavy work such as welding the underwater pipes for connection is a dangerous work, as especially working underwater can cause chemical reaction, decompression sickness, and also the effect of welding process. The issues related to environment is that the development of Industry 4.0 brings negative effect on environmental sustainability. In today's business, the Industry 4.0 such as Internet of Things and cyber physical system has a negative impact on environment due to the air pollution and the intensive use of raw materials. Other than that, it also harms the environment and also safety of people when the waste is not properly disposed with regulations and laws by the companies. Next, I would like to ask Shukria about her opinion on one of the solutions that can be applied.
One suggestion can be done in minimizing the issue related to safety in globalization is increase the level of technological sophistication. For example, nowadays the quantity of oil rig construction is increasing. One of the work scope in oil rig is welding underwater pipes. As we know, the welding process is a very dangerous work, especially underwater. During welding in water, the hydrogen and oxygen in the arc will mix and causing an explosion. This is a very dangerous safety factor for globalization nowadays. Thus, as an engineering student, one suggestion that can be taken by rising issue is innovation of a welding robot typical for underwater welding process. In Westminster, United States, they are already developing a welding robot. However, in the Fairlawn Tool website, they say automated systems are great at doing the same thing over and over again. If you need your robot welded to perform a variety of different manufacturing tasks, however, it will take time to refigure them, which could be costly. This means that the welding robot should be upgraded to a better version, as the technology nowadays is more advanced than the first batch production of welding robots. With a machine special for underwater welding, there is no need to get down the water and do the dangerous tasks. Although it might affect some individuals who are underwater welders, but safety should be prioritized. Every mistake makes lesson. Let's our teammate Anna discuss the lesson learned.
SHUKRIA. First, say no to over-reliance to autonomous robot. As mentioned by BHUPINDER, autonomous system actually introduce hazards to human life, make human lack of caution, and it is possible that automation technology will ultimately conquer rather than give service to humankind. Workers will become slaves to automation robots. Next, take cyber security seriously, as cyber attacks result in loss of sensitive data, financial loss, and damage to the company's reputations. And we should not apathy and ignore the cybersecurity, as everyone is the victim of cybercrime. Last but not least, people should ready to embrace Industrial 4.0. Diffusions of technology throughout a society or industry should be educated and encouraged to implement Industrial 4.0 in a faster pace. In conclusion, Industrial 4.0 brings pros and cons at the same time. Not only manufacturing, this revolution affects individuals, communities, organizations, and governments. It is the right time to change our mind and start to take the challenge and work on these remarkable transformations in our future. Let us strive to the success and make a better future with Industrial 4.0. Thank you.